Yeah, let's continue Python for AWS. In this session, we are going to see Microsoft VS Code installation and first Python program using VS Code. Okay, so let's open any web browser. Let's open any web browser. I am opening Google Chrome and I'm searching VS Code download. So it will open first link, Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Click on download Visual Studio Code. And here you can see left side Windows supported. Click on this Windows and it will start downloading. Let's wait a few seconds. It will start downloading. Click on start download. Yep. Open the folder and double click on this downloaded file and accept agreement. Then click on next button and click on next button. Click on next button. So here I am asking, yeah. So click on next button. Then here I'm selecting create a desktop icon. Then click on next button and install. Yeah. Uncheck this one and click on finish button. Okay. Let's go to desktop. You can see here VS Code. Double click on this Visual Studio Code. Here it is showing previous installation folder. So previous workspace. Let's go uh, first. Once we install successfully VS Code, we need to add Python extension to VS Code. In your case, uh, you may installing VS Code first time. So here we see extensions left side. You can see extensions. This one is extensions. Okay. Click on extensions. Here search Python. Search Python. You can see second link, second one, Python from Microsoft. Here you see uninstall. Your case, you are going to see install like this. Click on install. Then it will add Python extension to your VS Code editor. Okay. Now let's open Workspace team. Go to this file symbol. Okay. And go to file and open folder. And we created under Workspace and Python for AWS. Select this one. Select folder. Okay. Now let's create a Python file. Here you can see file. Yep. Click on this new file, then type type uh, test.py, test.py, then press enter. One. Click on this one. Write test already there. That's why it is showing error. Test2.py. Okay. In this, write your Python program name. So here I am writing print welcome to Python world, and I am taking two variables, a equal to 5, b equal to 10, result equal to a plus b. Then print a and print b, and then print the result. So I am printing result. Then Control S, save the program. First, create a file. First one, open a workspace folder. Second, create a file. Third, write a program. Fourth, save the program. And fifth, run the program. Right click on this program. You can see run Python. Run Python file in terminal. So you can see this one. Or you can click on terminal, new terminal, then type Python space your test2.py. Okay, clear writing how to run Python program in VS Code, how to write a Python program using VS Code, how to run Python program using VS Code. So we seen how to install VS Code, how to write first Python program using VS Code, then how to run first Python program using VS Code. Clear writing? Okay.